Hey guys, it's Kim, and this time I'm back for the DESTASH with some 6x6 paper pads. So this will be set A. There's 4 sets here, so this will be set A. And in this set, you're going to get the DCWV burlap paper. This is all burlap. It's really cool paper. You can use this for embellishments. You can use it for anything you like. So there's quite a few. I think I may have used one piece out of here, but you can see it's pretty thick. So there's that, and then this is the same type of idea, but this is cork paper. 3, 4, 5, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 9 sheets of that. And then there is 2 cardstock sheets. This one is foiled. And this is, I probably only used maybe 1 sheet out of this one. It's really going to reflect in my light, but you can see it's all different colors of foil. Really cool. So there's that, and then the shimmer one, I've probably used a couple of sheets out of this one. And these are sheets that have a shimmer to them. They're not foiled. It's like a peach and a pinky peach and a blue and a gray and a yellow. Yeah, very cool. All the colors are here. But I have used some sheets out of this. And I'll give you the price. They're all going to be the same price. And I'll give you the price at the end of the video. So that's set A. Set B is this. This is Scrapberries in Bloom, and I have used some pieces out of this one. Probably most of these I've used pieces, which is why I'm going to be selling them as cheap as I am, because they're just sitting here. So this is a beautiful paper set. I love Scrapberry. It's going to be hard to go through all of these, so I'm just going to do it quickly. But you can look these up online if I give you the names, and you can see. See, that's the 2 pieces I've used out of it. So you've still got scraps left there. So this one is In Bloom, it's called. This one is called The Art of Nature, and I may not have used any of these. Yeah, this might be a full pad. Really, really pretty. Lots of birds, very pretty. This is Prima Tea Time Collection. This one might be fairly new. Like, I don't think I've really used this gorgeous paper. I love this paper, but I'm a Prima girl. I love Prima. So you can see there's lots in that one. I love this one, especially the gray with the little rosebuds. It's so pretty. Oh, yeah, I did use a piece of it right there. I love that piece too. So lots in that. Sorry, my phone is vibrating. This is Nature Garden by Prima, and again, I've probably used, yep, there's a piece there. Piece there that I've used, but you've got the scrap. And there's a piece there that I used. Looks like the rest of it is here. Yep, so that's Prima Nature Garden. This is one of my favorites. It's called Pixie Glen by Prima. And I have used some of these pieces. So I used the first page that you can see here. So I've used the little embellishments. And then this is a page that I used here. This blue page. But there's another page. Oh, that's from the front. That's from the front page. So there you go. Most of these pages are here as well. I love this paper pad. Oh, and there's some of the sentiments I cut out and used, but there's more right there. Yeah, so some of the sentiments have been used. So there's that, and then this is a romance collection. This one I have used a fair bit out of, but there's still lots of good sheets in here, as you can see. So that's set B. Set C is this one. This is a My Favorite Things. Lots in there, great for backgrounds. I love this paper pad, it's so pretty. Another romance novel. This one has some pieces out of it, but yeah, it's the same one. Why does this look different? It's not though. It's the same paper pad I just showed you, but this one has more of the paper in it. But again, I have used some of it. But I mean, there's tons in here to use, right? Great for your embellishments for your junk journals. And some of these older Prima pads are hard to find now. You see, there's a lot in here still. So there's that one. This one's called All About Me, and probably most of this is here. I may have used that sheet, and that's it. Yep. So there's all these pieces, the glasses, the bike, so cute. Some frames. Polka dots. Love that. The little flowers. Some words. So yeah, lots in that one. This is another My Mind's Eye. Oh, this one's a Prima one too. I didn't notice All About Me. This is Prima. This one's My Mind's Eye. I have used some out of this one. So basically this one's a freebie that I'm throwing in because there's still quite a few good pages in here. That one, and then this is a My Mind's Eye as well. Some pages are loose, but there's still lots of good ones in here. I love this paper pad. Look at that with the postcards. Love that. Scrabble tiles. It's another postcard page. Oops. Super cute. And then this is a Kaiser Craft. I don't know what this one's called. Oh, 75 cents this one's called. And this was also one of my favorites. And again, all the scraps are here. I always kept my scraps together. But I do so little paper crafting anymore. Look at this one. This one's nice. It's like an embossed page. Look at that. Love it. Some dominoes. Love this page too with the foil on it. Foiled butterflies. Love that one too. Some frames. So that is lot C, and this is lot D. So this one has Lawn Fawn Snow Day, which is a really lovely holiday one, and again there's some scraps. Look at how cute with the little bunnies. Love it. Look at, so adorable. So cute. So that's like a Christmas background paper. This is the Pixie Glen from Prima that I showed you earlier. This one might be full. And lot D. Oh, there's a little bit out of that one. Love that paper. I almost didn't part with this one, but I'm like, yeah, it's time to go. Some Bow Bunny, which that's part of it. There's no back on this one, I don't think. Or is there? I don't know what these sheets are from. But guess what? They're going in this set. There's some black and white here and a scrap. So that'll go in with this set. I don't think it's part of this. This one's Bow Bunny Somewhere in Time collection. All the scraps. Another nice paper collection. If you like steampunk, this is a good one. That one, and then London Market, which I love this paper. This was really popular back in the day. One of my favorites. And I have used some of these ones as well, but again, you can see that's cut out. I have no idea what I cut out of there. It must have been a word of some kind. Don't know. Paper, paper, paper. So there's lots here. As you can see, there's still plenty here to work with. Love the map. I'm trying to be quick, but I want you guys to see. There's still quite a bit here, as you can see. Look at, I love that. And there's some scraps and scraps. So that is London Market. And then this is a graphic 45 one, and this one might be pretty much full. Yeah. So pretty. Look at the crown. This was like to go with that Marie Antoinette graphic 45 paper that they had. It's got crowns on it. I love this paper. Lots of beautiful pastel colors. Pink. Pretty, pretty, pretty paper. Pink crowns. Love. I love all the chairs and the Victorian furniture. This one's really pretty. So yeah, that's pretty much a complete pad, I would say. And then last but not least, this is Primrose Collection by Bo Bunny in Lot D. Whoops. So those are the paper pads. They're $7 plus shipping. Everything on the videos is all plus shipping, guys. Unfortunately, I cannot do it with shipping. It's just too expensive, and you're getting a bargain. These are $7, and these are well worth $7. So my email is below. Email me if you're interested. So let's just go over that again. This is Lot A. Lot B. Lot C, and Lot D, which I just showed you. So that's it. Email me if you're interested. First come, first serve. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.